if you're having problems with USB, say if you connect your USB and it shows, please insert a disk into USB drive. If you're having this error, what you have to do is basically it got some problems. So check into, yeah, I've checked into properties. It says 0 bytes, nothing showing up. Tried to do a format as well, but format will come up as an error. See on the top it says unknown capacity, and yeah, uh, most of the things doesn't really work. Say try to format it, it will come up with Windows as unable to complete the formatting. So what to do for this USB to work? So right click on my PC or this PC, right click, going to manage. Once you go into manage, go into disk management. In disk management, you will see two disks. One is the laptop's one, which is disk 0, which is on blue. So it's a inbuilt disk, and the other one is disk 1, which is removable. As you can see, removable D, and it also shows how much disk you got. Disk 1 got 2, disk 2 got 28.9 GB. Right click on it. It will come up as this wizard, new simple volume wizard. Whatever the amount you got on the top, enter that same thing on it so that you get all the digit, all the volume of it. Click next. Select any device or then device name and click next. I would perform a quick format. Yeah, volume label you can change whatever name you want to over there. Click next and then click finish. What it does is it formats and it allocates a new kind of space. See, you can see the changes it had made. From black it went to blue, and there you go. We got 28.8 GB. Open it, play it around, save something on it. It should work fine. So if you ever get these kind of error, so any drive, anything which is connected with USB, you can do this, which is quite convenient and easy way to, the only problem is you will lose all the data, which was already there in that USB. But yeah, at least it will start working. All right, guys. If you like this video, give a like. Thank you. Bye.